This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Solomon. Lovely 55-plus secure Park Place community in the Arbor Building West / loads of amenities. Spacious and bright 1-bedroom, 1-half bath is available with great green views, eat-in kitchen, laundry right down the hall, lots of closet space and screen patio. Cable TV, water / sewer, and all amenities included. Avail November 1st, 2024. Extra storage unit down the hall. Enjoy Clubhouse, heated pool, 4 pools, bike / jog path, 6 tennis courts, courtesy bus to local stores, etc., exercise room, billiards plus more. Condo in great condition for easy move-in. Association approval required, guard gate entry to community, no pets or children under 19. $250 refundable security deposit due to association / submission of lease application. Security patrol 24 hours 7 days a week, clear background check required, also for sale. F10422367. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Solomon at 954-693-0100.